important in my inbox. I get so many emails. Well, thanks to Copilot, I can now have Copilot proactively prioritize all of my emails. Copilot will now, if I select priority by Copilot, indicate for me the most important emails and tell me why Copilot prioritized those emails. So for example, I'm going to open this first one. It's not a black box. Copilot told me that it's prioritized because it's about bolder innovations. It's very specific people that I typically interact with, maybe manager, maybe key stakeholders. Maybe I was also mentioned in this specific mail thread, which if I scroll down, you'll see a task was assigned to me. Very clear that this is an email that's important for me to focus in on. Now, there's another challenge I often have. I get added to emails with really long threads, and it's hard for me to really understand what's going on. That's okay. Summary by Copilot gives me a quick snapshot view of what that email thread is all about. I can review it, figure out if I need to drill deeper into that email.